Welcome to our beginner's guide to investing. If you're new to the world of investing, it can be overwhelming and confusing. But don't worry, in this video, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you get started on the right foot. What are stocks and the stock market? Before we dive into the tips, let's start with the basics. Stocks, also known as shares or equities, are a type of investment that represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges, which are markets where investors can trade stocks with one another. Investing in stocks. Over the years, the stock market has proven to be a profitable strategy for investors. Historically, stocks have outperformed other types of investments, such as bonds and cash, over the long term. This means that if you invest in high-quality stocks and hold onto them for several years, you have a good chance of earning a solid return on your investment. Tip number 1. Start with the basics. Now that we've covered what stocks and the stock market are, it's important to understand the basics of investing. Learn about the different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and how they work. Research the risks and potential rewards of each type of investment, and consider what is best for your personal financial situation and goals. Tip number 2. Start small. When you're just starting out, it's important to start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider starting with just a few $100s. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investments. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing your risk and increasing your potential returns. Don't put all your money in one stock or one type of investment. Instead, spread your money across different types of investments and companies to reduce your exposure to any one investment. Tip number 4. Invest in index funds. For beginners, index funds can be a great way to get started with investing. These funds track a specific index, such as the S&P 500, and provide exposure to a wide range of stocks. They also tend to have lower fees than actively managed funds, making them a cost-effective option. Tip number 5. Consider a robo-advisor. If you're not comfortable managing your own investments, consider using a robo-advisor. These online platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio for you, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They also tend to have lower fees than traditional financial advisors. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to start with a solid understanding of the basics and take a cautious approach. By starting small, diversifying your portfolio and investing in index funds, you can set yourself up for success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on personal finance and investing.